Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add music to Instagram story. So firstly, make sure that you have either download or updated things to go on map to latest version. You can do this by heading to your App Store or Play Store. Go ahead and simply if there is update, just update it. So after that, just open your Instagram application. So when you open your Instagram application, just go on your story, tap on your in story. So let me just go ahead and install a random story from any list over here. Once I selected a random story, let's say that I want to add a music to this particular story. So it's very simple to add a music to this story. You have to tap on this sticker. Once you tap on this sticker, you can see here the button, it says music. If you don't find music, simply just tap on search and type music here. So select music once you find the option. Once you find music right over here, you can go ahead and select any of music which you want to add to your story. So just go ahead and select many of these options and you can add. And you can also go ahead and add a directory if you want, or you can change the style right over here. And once you do so, hit this done button over here. Now what you could use, you can actually minimize into the top corner of the screen so that it's not really visible. And now if you just go ahead and post it to your story, and this is something how you can add music to your Instagram story. So I hope this video was really helpful for you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.